What's up, guys? Trying to get situated here. I don't know why it takes that off, but it took it off, so that's all. How you guys doing, man? I'm ready to get some pips today? I'm ready, man. San Francisco Lane. Let me check this out. I just got a message. Let's see what this looks like, guys. Give me 1 second here. All right. Enough of that. How you guys been, man? US 30. We're looking at US 30. Let me check NAS. Okay, I don't see anything imminent. Today is Freaky Friday. Let me see what the experts say. S&P 500 future declines after Trump's comments on China. Bad loans by regional banks add to investor woes. Credit risk is alive and well. That's NAS. Let me see. It should be about the same for US 30. Release date for September. IP data. Once necessary. Okay. Well, let's see. I think we're going to go short today, guys. I know we're trending up. Blah, blah, blah. You could trend up, easy catch a couple hundred pip push down and watch it go back up. It's just the way it is, my friends. But you just got to know where to get in, where to get out. Where's the bottom? Here's the bottom. It's the pre-market low. Here's the pre-market high. I'll be willing to take a sell right at the pre-market high today. Let me put that right now. I'll just put a box there so we know where we're at. Right there. And we'll take it down. Put it right there for now. Just for aesthetics. Damn. Hang with does that. How you guys been, man? You're gonna have today's a beautiful day. I can't wait to get outside, man. Is that 190 pips right there? That's 190 pips right there, guys. It's a perfect trade. Let me see what NAS is. Make a little plan for NAS. We'll see whichever one hits first. NAS is a little further away, but it could get there. So let's put a box. We're talking right at the top of the supply zone. What I would expect is for it just to punch through and then fall. Punch through, sweep, grab the liquidity, and then drop. Oops. Let me check gold real quick. What the heck? Get out of here, you. Boom. All right, gold. Not feeling gold. All right, let's watch US 30 because that's where we're closest to getting an entry. We got a little push up now, so let's see what happens, guys. Riled up, man. Riled up. Here it comes, man. I got a couple of people that joined this the crypto debit card, man. You guys want to get a crypto debit card with no KYC? I don't have to tell you how important that is, right? No KYC. You can go to any ATM and pull money out too. No, there's fees on the card to load it, but there's no ATM fees. Only if the ATM itself charges you a fee. That's the only fee, and it's no KYC, guys. Pretty huge. Let me find that for you because that's important, man. Let's face it. Let me see. Where am I looking? Do I have it here? Yes. And with the with Sosana, man, I was on the stream last night. I don't know if any of you guys showed up for the stream, but it was lit as usual. Every time I go to that, I can't sleep after, man. It gets me pumped up, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a huge coin, man. And those guys are just straight up, man. They're not really hyping, nothing like that, man. It's just the way it's gonna be, man. I'm telling you. Right now, the coin's like 25 cents, bro. I think that coin's gonna be at least $10 by New Year's. All right, guys, that's the debit card that I'm using. No KYC. Check it out. Let me see how my kick peeps are doing. What's up, Kick? Where you at? Every time I go to say no KYC, I almost say no KFC, man. It sucks when there's no KFC, bro. All right, we're coming up, guys. We're gonna get a sell here. What is this red line? Do I remember? It's not alarmed. Let me go to the 15-minute. All right, I'm gonna delete it. I'll delete this purple one. We don't need it. I'm sure that was a TP from another trade. Go to the 2-minute for see how that looks. I think we're gonna get this sell here, guys. I'm feeling it, man. Freaky Friday about to kick in, full swing. Boom. All right, let me get my stream up here. Make sure we're live. I didn't check if we're live yet. Wow, what a handsome guy. Look at that guy. Beautiful. All right. Wow, what a handsome guy. Look at that guy. All right, come on, US 30. I'm going to put in alarms for the heck of it in case we do click away to check out something else. All right, let me make a little plan here while we wait. Wow, that's 80 pips right there, man. That's crazy. It's almost 90 pips. 88 pips to the top of that fair value gap. All right, I'm going to take that. That's going to be my teeth. That's where I'm taking profit right here, guys. Make that purple. You can see it. Just so it sticks out different. I like the red, white, and blue theme that I go with, but we'll make that purple so we can see it. That's where we're going to take. I'm going to take at least half right here. And then once I take that, I will be putting a stop loss in profit. Okay, guys, that's the way I do it. Those are my rules. You don't have to follow them. Those are my rules that I follow. All that else here, trading is risky. Probably going to lose money. What can I say? 95% of people, right, lose money. It's because they don't watch my stream. You know what I'm saying? I'm only kidding, man. All right, let's see what we got. This week has been slow, man. Last week was great, man. We had almost 650 pips last week. This week, Monday was a holiday. That's why. Tuesday, we had a good day, 125 pips. Wednesday, we had 30 pips. And yesterday, we had 35 pips. So, this isn't going to be any record-breaking week, but we got to win every day. As long as we win every day, man, we're just rolling along, man. We'll just keep strolling along, man. So, Sana, if anyone was on a call last night, man, guys, check that, scan the QR code above my head there. You'll see, watch the first video on that page about Sasana. How the utility works, man. You're going to be impressed. But, yeah, guys, every time I watch that, I mean, next week they should be doing KYC and all that, for the voting. We're getting there, man. I'd say 2 weeks. 2 weeks will be launched. I think we'll be fully launched in 2 weeks. They're getting audits done now, and they're finding little things they got to fix. That's what the delay is, But I think these guys are straight. I think they're, up and up, man. They're out front and center. Their faces are out. They're doxxed. They're on every night doing interviews, talking about what's going to happen. I mean, no one can see the future, man, but I think it's going to be a great project, man. When you know an hour ahead of time that there's going to be like $100,000 buy on a small cap token, that information is useful. And you've got thousands of people an hour ahead of time with that information buying that token before the buy. Come on, man. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, get it together, man. It doesn't cost nothing in order to participate. You just have to hold $50 worth of Sosana to participate. It doesn't cost $50. You just have to hold the coin. That coin's going to go, dude, when people start getting 10Xs and all that, I don't even like to talk about it, man, because I don't know what's going to happen, right? In all reality, you know, I don't want to say what's going to happen, but I know what I'm doing. I'm in. That coin's 25 cents now. I think by New Year, it's going to be $10. You know, if everything launches, everything goes the way it's supposed to, man. I'm not comfortable saying things like that, man, because I don't like to lie. I don't want to be and say, oh, it's not $10. It's only, it's not $10. It's $15. You know, people are nuts on the internet, man, you know. But look at the video, get the information for yourself, man, and make a decision, man. That's my advice, man, to everybody. I told them I got my kids are involved, everybody's involved over here, man. So we'll see what happens. All you gotta do is put $50, buy $50 worth of the coin to be involved, you know. So, and there's a couple of that's one thing that's going to drive the price up. Another thing is there is an affiliate program, but the affiliate program isn't connected to purchase of the coins or anything like that. It's just an affiliate program on the affiliate program. And if you join the affiliate program, there's going to be one more vote for pre-launch tokens a month. Right now, that'll probably be 2 a month. And even this 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, I think when we get real big, it's going to be every week. They're already talking about it might be every week because it's going to be just too big. Because the money going into that voter pool is going to be huge, you know? But anyway, guys, I digress, man. We're going the wrong way now here. What happened? Let me check NAS. Yeah, NAS is like got a lot further to go. Go back to the 1 minute. I'm not used to the 2 minute. Hold on a second. All right. Like, guys, I got my tea. I don't drink coffee anymore, guys. I'm not supposed to have caffeine. So I tried like 50 different teas, man, and I settled. I like this one, Bengal spice, man. I like cinnamon. I put extra cinnamon in it. I gotta turn that AC down.
It's in the bed, right? It's in the blanket. You want me to look at it? Maybe to look at them. They will see me, really? You're on the camera?
Yeah.
Nice. Someone else.
Oh, I don't look at it. Finally.
Yeah, it's over there for you.
Nah, you took it. The wife, man. Fighting with the wife. All right. We're not fighting. Just joking around. All right, what do we got, guys? Come on now. Let's see what happens here. Check gold. Let me check oil. Oil's moving up at least. What it's got? That's one thing that you 200. The 200, guys, it's an important thing to have on your chart. Okay, it's a powerful support and resistance. You can see that the coin is pretty much just riding the 200, man. You know, comes back to it, rejects, come back to it, rejects, switches to the other side, does the same thing. You know, look at it. And it also could give you direction. Okay, your session buys, or you can see by the 200 is slanting down all the way that you're headed down. You're in a downtrend. Just a little tip, guys. It's not like something to keep in mind. Think we're gonna get a sell on US 30, man. We got like 5 more or 6 more minutes from New York. I believe that's what's gonna happen, guys. I believe it's gonna come up here, sweep, and we're gonna drop. All right. I don't have a crystal ball or nothing, but that's just what I feel is gonna happen. So let's see what happens. We got like 5 more minutes. But I'll be selling once it breaks through this line. When it rings that bell, I got an alarm right here. When that alarm rings, I'm pressing the sell button. Okay, guys, that's how I do it. Some people know. If you know, you know. Let me go to the market. Get ready because we're pushing up now. All right, got my finger on the trigger here. Trigger happy. What a beautiful day out, man. I'm going to go swimming right after this. Get out there and get some vitamin D. Nice little swim. All right, let's see if we can push up. This guy was on the call last night. This dude, Brian. He was talking about people are frustrated, that we haven't launched yet, But, they're doing the audit. And he said something, man, it was so true, man. He says every time he's been in a project, like a crypto project, I've been in crypto projects. This is the first one I ever even mentioned. Like, I own a bunch of HBAR. I'm in a bunch of projects. But I don't talk about them. I don't pump, this is about trading. But I just would feel bad if you guys didn't know about this coin and it does what I think it's going to do. But he says anytime he's been in a project and they met all the deadlines and everything went smooth, it was a rug pull. And he's right, man. He's right, man. They do, the audit went great. Oh, we're getting it audited tomorrow. Oh, the audit's done. Everything was great. Oh, we're doing this. Oh, that's done now. Everything's great. Okay, we're ready to launch. Boof. Money gone. I had to laugh when he said that, man, because I've seen it. It struck a chord with me, man, as we say. 2.5 minutes, guys. I'm starting to get volume now. Let me get my gun in my hand here. It could happen quick. The best is when it just goes, when it just sweeps and starts dropping, man. That's why you got to be ready. When it does that, it just grabs the liquidity and it's headed south. See what happens here, guys. Guys, this your first time, man? Well, like the stream anyway, guys. I don't care if it's your millionth time. But like the stream, subscribe if it's your first time, guys. Leave a comment so we can interact. Subscribe so we can keep in touch. Scan the barcode above my head if you want to check out Sosana, the coin that I've been talking about. I'm hot on. And, like I said, I don't have a crystal ball, but I think it's going to be good. And the crypto debit card with no KYC is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Looks like we're dropping. Okay, we got 1 more minute. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. I still think it's going to sweep the high before it drops. What do you guys think? I think this is a fake out, man. Wait a minute. I don't like the way it swept right there, though. Oh, it didn't come up. Well, we got one. We got what? 10 seconds. There it goes. There's the open, guys. Here it comes. No, not yet. Maybe it's not going to make it up there. See what Nas is doing quick. Roll. Never made it up there, guys. Damn. Now here it comes. See if we can get one more push up. All right, maybe we're going to make it this time. Let's see. Wish there was news today, man. There's no news. So this is pretty much it for the volume. Come on, baby. Here we come. Here we come, guys. Come on, baby. It's at our TP, man, but we didn't get to enter yet. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Let's go. All right, it's going to do it. Okay, I'm ready. I got my finger on the trigger. Come on, one more push. Here we go. I'm in, guys. I got in a little higher, I believe, like right there about that pip higher. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, I'm in profit already, so. Happy Friday, guys. Come on now. First you didn't want to go up. Now you want to keep going? Come on. Stop messing around, man. Now we're right at break even. One thing is we got this big fair value gap here. We got to break through, which I think we'll get through it. Here we come now, guys. I saw 20 pips profit already. Let me get rid of this line now. It's going to drive me crazy with the alerts. All right, guys, who's in this trade, man? Let's go, man. Let's go. Come on, US 30. Push down now, like you did before. All right, guys that don't know, this purple line is TP1. I'm taking at least half that. I'm thinking about moving it up to the bottom of this box, just in case we want to just come down, fill this gap, and then go up. But let me see how many pips that is. It is Friday, so I'm not interested in hanging around a trade all day. That's 58 pips. I mean, that's plenty. Let's see how it moves. I think we're going to drop, though. Oh, we're going up. I got to check something here. All right. Whoops. Oh, we're back. Oh, we were back to our entry. And so we did come up and sweep this liquidity here, guys, which, you know is a possibility, right? But we want to get into trade. So we chose to get in here. Let's see now if we drop. Okay, I see 25 pips. I saw 30 flash for a second, man. There's 30 again. All right, let's see. Maybe we'll push down. Hopefully we'll push down. So I'm in it to win it, so I'm sticking. All right, guys, here we come, man. What is that? Here it comes, guys. Get your victory speech. Start writing your victory speech, guys. Okay, we're at 40 pips now. I saw 40 on my screen. There we are, 45, 50, 55. Man, it's going quick. Man, it's going quick. Okay, I'm getting ready to take half, guys. You can take half anytime you want, guys. I'm thinking about taking it right at that purple line, or maybe right before it, right around that area. Doesn't really matter where. It's just a line I arbitrarily drew on the chart. But that is about 80 pips, I believe. So if I take half, that would give me 40 in the bank. Oh, it's 90 pips, guys. Sorry. 91, 90 pips. So I'm 60 pips now. I'm thinking about taking half, but let's see how it moves. I don't want to give anything back on Friday, man. I want to get out, get the trade secured, and have a beautiful day, man. That's the way we're going to play this. What's my plan for today? What's my plan for the trade? I win, the banks lose. That's my plan, bro. So I'm gonna put a line here where my stop loss is gonna go. It's gonna be right around here in profit. Okay, I'm up 75 pips. I'm getting ready to take half. Take it whenever you want, guys. I'm gonna take it. Oh, I didn't do it yet. Here it comes. Boom. Half taken. Okay, I'm going to set my stop loss now, guys. 46069.3. 46069.3. 069.31. 0.3, 0.31, doesn't matter. All right, so we're in profit. Stop loss is set in profit. Give me a W in the chat, man. Beautiful trade, man. Let me go check out my kick, people. My kickers, man. Shit kickers. Sorry, man. I shouldn't say that. Love it, man. Love it. All right, guys. Anybody take that, man? Anybody make that cash? Come on now. I think it's going to keep dropping, guys. Even if it comes up, it stops me out, man. You should have, let me see what we got. We should have like 45 pips, at least 40 pips in the bank now, depending on where you got in. 40 to 45 pips should be in your bank, in your account, secured. So now we're just waiting for the gravy. Okay, this whole trade is what? Let me see. 194 pips. Man, that's a nice day's pay right there, guys. Almost 200 pips. I'm going to have to shorten it up a little, maybe. Let me see something here. I'm going to shorten it a couple of pips here because I don't want to go past the bottom of this box. Right there. A little less. People ask me why I don't go below here. I could. If it was Friday, well, I'll tell you the truth, man. If you guys are interested in hearing what I really think, I think it's going to come down here to the pre-market low. I think it's going to come all the way down there. But I want to get out of the trade. I don't want to be stuck holding the trade over the weekend. Although I don't mind. Let's see how it moves. Maybe it'll start motoring here. We'll close below the 200. Maybe we'll start flying down. Let's see. We might get stopped out in profit here still too. So we'll get cocky. But right where our TP was. All right, let's see. Cheers, guys. Great week trading. Another great week. Appreciate all you guys, man. Give me a like. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Cheers, man. Nice cup of tea, man. I wish I could show you how beautiful it is out right now, man. Unbelievable. No, no, no. That's another 8 pips right there. I'll call it 9 pips. Another 9. So it's going to stop me out. Don't do it, man. Don't do it, US 30. They always do this, man. They make sure they come back and get you before they keep going. No. All right, I'm out. All right, guys. Anyway, that was a great trade, man. I got about, what? About 55 pips, right? That was like 9 pips. So 45, right? 54 pips, we'll call it. Friday. Let's call it 50, man. What the heck? 50 pips. All right, guys. So that's it, man. Hope you guys have a great weekend. It's a W, man. We take all the W's we can. You know? We take all the W's we can. So, guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Monday, we'll be live at 9 a.m. Same time, same place. We might be live at 3 o'clock on Monday. I'm starting to do more afternoons just to feel it out. The volume's a little slow, though, so I don't know how long I'm going to do that. You know, but we did catch a win there this week. Yesterday I went on. It was so slow. I couldn't take it. I didn't even take a trade. I just got bored. And Monday night we'll be on the Sasana live broadcast, okay, with the updates. Hopefully, right, the audits will be complete. And we'll be one step closer to rocking and rolling. So with that, guys, thank you. Appreciate you guys, man. What's up, Olivia? Did you take the trade, man? Don't just watch, man. Give me a subscribe, bro. Welcome, man. Welcome. But yeah, guys, have a great weekend. God bless you guys, man. Stay safe. Have a great weekend on purpose, guys. That's important. And I'll see you guys Monday morning, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Like I said, Olivia, give me a like, please. And subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks, guys. Cheers, man.